Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Last video I did was about the AC compressor on this Jeep Patriot. Uh, I have yet ordered the part yet. The part is back ordered, so I'm gonna have to probably go aftermarket. But that's gonna be fixed soon because it's gonna get back in the 90s again. But let's just jump to the video. We got some baking soda and a lemon, and online I've seen someone, and it became very, very, very popular and viral. Someone was using lemon and baking soda to clear up foggy headlamps, and I want to actually test this fury to see if it actually worked. I think it'll work. The headlights on this Jeep is starting to fog up a little bit from the oxidation from the sun. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. We're going to cut this lemon up. And we got some baking soda. We're going to put this in a small bowl or plate or whatever. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got the lemon cut up. We got our baking soda right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, dip that in like that. And the lemon juice mixed with the baking soda is supposed to clear up this foggy headlight. So let's go ahead and see if this works. Supposed to keep wiping it on just like that. Just like that. And it looks like it's actually working a little bit. Wow. Are you serious? So here's what it looks like with the lemon juice and the baking soda on here. It looks like it cleaned it up, but I'm just curious to see if it's gonna go back to a foggy look once all this stuff wipes off. All right, so I don't know. That's the after results. Here's the other one. I can't really tell much of a difference now that I wiped all the stuff off. So in this case, it may not work for these headlamps because they are already pretty much faded. Yeah, so this is what I use. I cut up lemon, I cut it in half, and some baking soda. And for whatever reason, it didn't work for me. And I think part of the problem is, you know, this is Michigan, this is a salt belt state. And after a while, you know, oxidation, salt, corrosion, all of that good stuff out here in Michigan over time kind of wears your car out, you know, fades your headlights out. Well, really, your headlights will fade out in any state, especially in Arizona when there's constantly sunlight going on. Out here in Michigan, we got a combination of all four seasons. Our summers are very, very hot. Our winters are very, very cold. But the trick is what you do is this part of the lemon, rubbing up against the baking soda, you squeeze it as you rub the headlights so the lemon juice is mixed with the baking soda. And I couldn't get it to work for me, but it worked it for that person who went viral on TikTok. So I guess with these headlamps on this vehicle, it might be, the plastic might be worn too or faded too bad to the point where they're unrestorable. So it's probably best for me to just replace them. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And try this experiment for yourself. Let me know in the comments if this experiment works with you. The lemon didn't cost much. That was only 79 cents. Baking soda was only $1. So I just wanted to try this method to see if it worked. And it didn't work for me, but that does not mean it's not going to work for you. So give this a try. Comment below if it works for you. Hope to see you soon.